is Camila Almanza, and I'm here to talk about the fort that my partner Alexander chose. So let's see. And the first point, I'm going to give my opinion about her explanation about the metaphor he chose. Conscience is a man's compass. After I read this, I have to say that it's great and he's really accurate with the meaning of this. He said that we have two concepts, right? One is the mind and this is about the experience or the things that we are learning when we go further and we keep growing, and the compass of these things that we choose and we pick. These two sides of the road when we think what we should do and how we can make it. The next thing is to talk about the history, right? He wrote. And I have to say that it's such a great history where we can see how he learned and how he became really conscious about what he wanted to do when he grew up, and he made a compass of his decisions after he learned and after he taught and after he lived in a conscious way would be the course of his life. The third thing I have to say is that, in my opinion, he wrote in a good way the history. He used the past tense correctly and really accurate, and he used his diction while he was writing. It was great. It was easy to comprehend, to have a comprehension of what he wanted to tell us and what he wanted to show, making a use of his history, taking count that sometimes we're typing, but otherwise it's great. What lesson this led me? That sometimes our life takes some compass that we don't know if we are doing well or if we're not, but we have to make conscious about the experience we have when we make different roads and learn about it to have to make a decision, because our conscience may a compass of our life.